In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make holes in a solid using AutoCAD 3D. Whether you're crafting a model for a project, designing intricate details, or simply exploring the capabilities of AutoCAD, mastering the art of creating holes in a solid object is an essential skill to add to your toolkit. Let's dive right in and explore this process step by step. First, you need to start by identifying the solid object where you want to create the hole. It's important to have a clear idea of the shape and position of this hole to ensure it aligns with your design intentions. Once you have your solid object prepared, you'll want to draw the shape that will define your hole. For the purpose of this demonstration, I'll use a simple circle, but keep in mind that AutoCAD allows you to use various shapes if your design calls for something different. Position your shape directly on the surface of the solid where the hole should begin. With the shape drawn, we're ready to move on to the next step. Here you'll type press pull into the command line. This command is a powerful tool in AutoCAD that allows you to create extrusions and, in this case, to subtract a shape from a solid, thereby forming a hole. Once you've typed press pull, press enter. Now, carefully select the circle or the shape you drew earlier. What this does is it activates the press pull command on that specific shape, allowing AutoCAD to recognize where you want the material to be removed from the solid object. Now, we're at the point where the magic happens. Once you've selected the circle, you'll then align the press pull direction toward the opposite side of the object. By pushing through the object, the software will interpret this as an instruction to remove that material, thereby forming a hole clear through the solid. You should ensure that the push aligns straight across to the opposite surface of the object, as this ensures the hole goes completely through the solid. This technique is incredibly versatile and can be applied to various designs, from architectural models to engineering components. And there you have it. Your hole has been successfully created in the solid using AutoCAD 3D. This process, while simple on paper, opens up countless possibilities when designing complex models. The ability to quickly and accurately form holes means you can create functional parts or aesthetic designs with ease. Remember, practice makes perfect, and experimenting with different shapes and configurations will enhance your proficiency and comfort with the software. Thanks for following along, and I hope you're now inspired to integrate this technique into your own AutoCAD projects. Happy designing, and stay tuned for more tips and tricks in the world of 3D modeling.